Hey, welcome back guys to the channel. Today we did a short video. It's a brief look at how we run through a service call. This particular call was an unknown leak with no access to inside the home. The owner sent pictures of where he requested us to open up to look for the leak. Typically we start from inside and eliminate all visible water connections, but unfortunately we were unable at the start of this call. This is us pulling up. So we use House Call Pro for our pros and we absolutely love it. As you can see, our dispatcher can upload notes and photos to better prepare our technicians. Accessing photos are super easy and simple for the techs. Again, this just helps them be better prepared. This little video clip is of the designated area the owner directed us to do our search without any access to inside the home. A brief locate.
I'll edit it. Well, I like my voice on there.
We located the water leaking from, unfortunately, the floor above. A second visit with access would reveal quickly it was just a failed ice maker line above on the floor. Unfortunately, we didn't have access on the first visit, so again, with House Call Pro, our techs, they can insert their own photos, update all their ticket items, and I really love the features that allow us to input the most information we can about the job and the services performed. We're just really big on communication. A perk earned a 5-star review on this one, so we really appreciate you guys watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like.